Welcome back, everyone. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch one of my videos. I hope everybody is safe and healthy. Today I'll be doing a charger plate wall art, Dollar Tree, pretty quick, cheap. Dollar Tree mirror, Dollar Tree charger plate, and I will have a hot knife that I'm going to be using in the video. So here I'm just measuring to see exactly where the mirror is going to go. I love my hot knife, I really do. You can buy one from Michael's, Hobby Lobby, anywhere like that. So here I just followed the line down so that this is where the mirror, I'm going to like push the mirror in it at the end, you'll see. But I completely open it up. I don't know how else to explain it. When you're doing this, make sure you take your time. You can get burned, and the pieces that come off are hot for a second, but they chip away like so easily. So this is how it's going to look when you first do it. I keep pushing it in to make sure that it's positioned correctly. And now I'm going to use hot glue on the bottom of it. You do not see the hot glue after it's done unless you're really looking for it, and you'll have to know it's there. I mean, I should have put some diamonds there to cover it up, but hey, if you're not tall enough, you can't see it. I can't see it, I'm not tall enough when it's on the wall. So now I'm going to Mod Podge it so that I can put the glass, mirrored glass over it. A lot of this is on fast forward because if I didn't, this video would have been like 2 hours long. This was not a long process, but it was a process. So I let this dry for like an hour. I did actually another coat. I didn't show it on here. But I had these pieces of broken mirror that I'm just going to glue over it because it makes it so much shinier and blingy. Here goes some mirrored tile. I bought this from Amazon. I put it around the outside of the mirror on the bottom to cover up the mirror a little bit and to give it some more bling. Because you can't make something without bling. Lots and lots and lots of bling. These are my diamonds from Michaels. So what I did was I started one by one, but eventually, because I did 4 of these, I just glued like a line and then just set them up next to each other, and I did 2 rows of diamonds in the back of it to cover up where it was missing like some mirrored glass, and it was kind of messy looking. This is how they came out. I think they came out absolutely gorgeous. I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.